Hello friends, how's everybody doing? Today I have another Stitchfix unboxing try-on video for you. If you've seen my Stitchfix videos in the past, basically I've just been on like a mission to try and figure out what my style is, trying to find clothes that fit me because I generally buy clothes that are way too big and I'm kind of over that. I want to buy stuff that actually fits and makes me feel good. I've had like kind of a wishy-washy relationship with Stitch Fix. Some of the boxes I've gotten have been great. Other ones, like the last one I got, I didn't even film it for you guys because everything in it was so bad, nothing fit. There was like a burnt orange romper, which if you know me at all, burnt orange literally makes me see flames. Not that the Stitch Fix stylist would know that, I understand, but I think we might have a winner today. I just got the box, I peeked in it, and there's one thing in particular that I was like, oh my gosh, this is so fun. Because I really like fun stuff. I want to find things that are gonna get me out of my comfort zone, which is too big of clothes, hiding my stomach, I want to feel good in clothes. For the longest time, I've had the mindset of, you can wear that when you lose weight, you can wear that when you lose, no. It's 2021, get that toxic shit. You can wear what you want when you want, and you gotta practice what you preach, right? So I gotta get myself out of that mindset. So we're gonna try on some clothes today, all that jazz. But before we do that, I just wanna make sure you are subscribed, have the notification bell on. I am getting my YouTube life together and we're going to have 2 videos a week coming up. We're gonna have vlogs coming up. We are getting ready to move, so we're gonna be vlogging all that nonsense. If you want to win some amazing prizes, I have currently, if you head over to my Discord, which is discord.gg/LeeshaLand, we want all of you guys to join our awesome community. Currently, there's going to be a giveaway for the entire Colourpop Lizzie Mcguire collection. I'm going to be doing a Get Ready With Me probably this weekend, Friday or Saturday. Probably Saturday, we'll do Saturday morning. And also there's a contest to win the Animal Crossing collection if you are active on the Discord. You just have to post 50 messages within the entire month, which is really easy to do because Discord's basically like a forum or a chat room. There's lots of fun people on there and I would really love to get to know you all better. So you can go over to discord.gg, join us on there, and let's talk. All right, so let's get into this Stitch Fix box. I'm really thinking that just based off of me just peeking in there, it's going to be a really fun one, and it's gonna be, we might have found a good stylist match. Let's see. So here is my first outfit. I got these jeans, which, oh my gosh, I don't know how I feel about them. Because right now I'm in this like place basically where I've been losing weight. I've been trying to get back down to like what I consider my normal weight. I'm trying to do the thing where I'm being kind to my body now and how it is now, but also recognizing that I'm trying to lose weight and that things aren't going to fit, you know, if I buy what fits me now. These pants are kind of where I'm at with this in the sense that like they look really cute. I can tell they're quite, quite stretchy, but they fit really nice now. But I don't know how long they're going to fit for. I also can tell that they're like most jeans that I get where, you know, they got all of this extra hip room that I never, you know, the way my body works is that it's gonna be tighter up here and then there's all of this extra room at the hips. But they're really soft, they're so soft, they're super comfortable. And then there's this shirt, which I would never buy in my entire ever life. As we've talked about like a million different times, I am very self-conscious about my stomach and it's where I carry most of my weight. So a shirt that literally ends at my belly button is, whew, that's a lot for me to get out of my head about. But it's really cute. It's got the buttons, it's got this little cute little tie thing going on. It shows just like a little tiny peekaboo of tummy, or it can go a little bit higher, I guess. But just overall, I was really surprised with how good I felt in this particular outfit and in this shirt. I'm someone who always is buying shirts and clothes that are too big for me because I'm like hiding. So something like this, I was like, wow, this actually looks really cute and I feel cute in it. So these are the first 2 items. Here's the next shirt. I'm sorry, you can see my bra. I'm trying to like hide it. Ha! I don't love this. This has like, I think it's, what is this called? A peasant top?
Is this some sort of peasant joke?
This is something I would never, ever, ever buy myself. And I'm seeing why. It's not ugly, but like, I get caught, like, yeah, it's got like, oh, that's why. I was like, why is there a giant hole? But shirts like this, I always get like, they end up getting right here. Not so much when I'm wearing a bralette, but it sometimes gets that like gap. It just is weird with this like tightness because of the way it's supposed to look, where it's like, it looks poofy, but it's because it's tighter on, I don't know, do you get what I'm saying? I hope I'm wearing it right. I know in one of my last video, I was wearing one of my shirts backwards, which just shows you where I'm at as far as fashion goes. Here's what this one looks like. I'm not like against the color. I'm surprised because again, the design of this, the color are not at all things that I gravitate towards, but I don't hate the color on me. Getting really frustrated already at this like elastic at my right above my elbows because it's not somewhere that I'm used to feeling that, if that makes sense. So it feels really weird and I'm kind of fixating in on it. So this shirt, not for me. Not for me. The next shirt right here, this is one that I gotta like try and get used to because it's the type of fabric that's really soft and comfortable, but it leaves nothing to the imagination. It's very soft. It has like a cute little design thing going on in the back, which is cute. This is another color too that I get self-conscious about because when I was in high school, not really anymore, but I used to sweat like a lot. And so any shirts like this, that's this like light grayish blue is like, if you're gonna see everything basically. So I'm thinking that this one is also probably a no. I feel I'm not loving what it's doing to me. Last but not least is this skirt, which I was so excited about. This has like, the color is so cute. It's got the lemon print all over it. And it's just like, it's really adorable, right? This is something that I think would be really cute if I had a belt. I think I might keep the skirt. My lack of a butt right here, but it's just, it's cute, it's fun. It actually looks really cute with this shirt now. Now I don't hate this shirt, now it's tucked in. Maybe I just need to remember that because yeah, I do like the back of it and stuff. And when it's with this, it's actually, it's pretty cute. And it's fun. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, is stuff that's more fun and me without like feeling like I have to do something that's like over the top and crazy. That makes sense. So now if we go to check out, so we can see what the cost of everything is and what we're thinking of all of that stuff. So let's see, go through it. Okay, Rhiannon button down top, $44. This I am absolutely going to return. It definitely fits. I don't like the style. I don't want to say I hate it, but I really don't like it. And since Just Okay is the only other option, there we go. Fit, cut, it's okay, I guess. The price is fine. I just don't love it. This one, I'm a little bit torn on because I do like it. I mean, I'm wearing it right now, still wearing it. And I do think it looks pretty cute with the skirt. It might be like just a nice basic to have because I really don't have a lot of basics. Originally, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it, but maybe I'll keep it. It fits nice. The style, I like it. The fit, I like it. The quality is great and the price is good. So that one, maybe I'll keep. This, I'm absolutely going to keep. I like it. I like the style. I like the fit on it. Quality is great, and $48, the price is fine. This is the one I'm really surprised that I want to keep, specifically because the shirt ends right at my belly button. So if I'm wearing a high-rise jeans, which is generally what I like to wear, it's really cute, and it's giving me a little bit more of like seeing my figure versus what I normally do, which is always hide how I look. So this one is really cute, and it also will be really cute with the skirt if I decide to keep the skirt. The jeans, oof. Ugh. I'm going to return the jeans. They're too big. I love the style. The way that they fit is really nice. I'm gonna say that's really good. The price on them, I gotta like accept that jeans are expensive. I'm going to remember these jeans though. The reason I'm not gonna get them, even though they fit really nicely, and I know I could exchange them for a size 12 instead of a 14, it's getting really warm in Arizona, and I know that jeans are not what I'm going to be wearing for the next while, so it's sort of one of those things where I'm like, let's wait on jeans. I just know if I'm gonna get a really nice pair of jeans, I'm not gonna wear them for like 6 months or so because it's getting really warm, so we might as well not get them right now. The skirt though, I'm gonna keep the skirt. That's a good price. And it's really cute. The size is good. I love the style. I love the cut of it. The quality is really nice and it's just right. This stitch, I will say, is the best one I've had yet. It felt really personalized to me. I really like pretty much everything. And even in the note that the stylist wrote, she said she's keeping an eye out for star prints. And when I read that, I was like, okay, you know what? I think we found a good match for a little while. The last couple of boxes that I got, I was like, just choose a new stylist. Nobody seems to quite get what I want, but this one is the first time where they found like unique prints that kind of is right up my alley. Do you have any closet needs you're still shopping for? I mean, I guess. Are you looking forward to getting another one? Yes, I am. I would like my same stylist. I'm going to say, loved this box. Yeah, you could definitely hear me typing. I'm sorry, PJ. Loved this box. Everything was beautiful except the Rhiannon shirt was not quite my style. All for fun prints like the skirt. Yes. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this last Stitchfix video. This was definitely the most successful one yet. I'm excited to get another one. I will have a link below where you can sign up to get your own Stitchfix. If you use my link, you can get $25 and then I'll get $25 and we're all super happy and I can continue to make these videos for you. I'm having a lot of fun with them and it's really cool to see my style, see things I would never pick out for myself, all that jazz. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and I'll see you soon. Bye. Value of this box. Let's do some math. And I need a calculator because I don't know how to math unless I have a calculator. Okay, 52 plus
12 seconds later
plus 22 equals. Okay, so this box